Hello students, welcome to the science class of 5th standard of chapter Reproduction in Plants. Before I start, I am going to discuss objectives of this chapter, topics to be discussed and the terminology of this chapter. So students, objectives of this chapter are: learn about process of sexual reproduction in plants, fertilization and formation of seeds, dispersal of seeds through air, water, animals, etc. Also learn about other ways of reproduction in plants, that is vegetative propagation in plants through stem cuttings, root and leaf. In this chapter, we will study about sexual reproduction in plants, germination of seeds, vegetative propagation. So students, terminology of this chapter is reproduction, gametes, zygote, fertilization, cotyledon, monocot seed, dicot seed, embryo, germination, dispersal, asexual reproduction, vegetative reproduction and spores. Now students, open your book at page 57. Let's start our topic, sexual reproduction in plants. Students, reproduction means the process by which living organisms give birth to the young ones of their own kind. So sexual reproduction is a process in which two parents are involved in the creation of their offspring. Now underline word creation and write down its meaning: the action or process of bringing something into existence. Now underline word offspring and write down its meaning: the young ones of living organisms. Students, in sexual reproduction, both parents, that is male or female, make some special cells that bring about reproduction called gametes. So what is gametes? Gametes are special cells in the body that help in reproduction. So students, a gamete is a reproductive unit and is different in males and females. And in sexual reproduction, a new individual is produced by the fusion of a male and female gametes. So students, pollen grains are the male reproductive unit of plants, whereas the female gametes or the eggs is formed in the ovary of a pistil. And in sexual reproduction, a male and female gamete fuse to form a zygote through the process of fertilization. Now underline the word zygote and write down its definition: cell formed when male and female gametes fuse together. Students, fertilization is the process by which male and female gametes fuse to form the zygote. Now let's discuss about the process of fertilization in plants. Students, firstly, pollen grains from anther falls on the stigma of the same or different flower through pollination with the help of different pollinating agents like wind, water, insects, etc. Now, when the pollen grain falls on the stigma, a long tube-like pathway forms called the pollen tube, and this pollen tube keeps growing till it reaches the ovule inside the ovary. Now, inside the ovary, the male gametes, that is pollen grains, and the female gametes, that is ovules, fuse together to form the zygote. And students, after fertilization, the ovary grows to become fruit and the ovules become seeds, and the rest part of the flower dries up and falls off. And when the seeds are spread to a place where they can germinate, a new plant grows. So students, Today we have discussed about sexual reproduction in plants and also discussed about fertilization. Now there is a small exercise brush up on page 56 and exercise checkpoint on page 58. Do these exercises on book and also revise the topic and cross questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.